Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about the Turtle Beach one ear is not working and how to fix it. First is check the cable and the connections. Make sure the audio cable or wireless transmitter is securely connected and try unplugging and plugging it back. 2 is test on another device. You can connect your headset to another device like phone, PC, or console to rule out device issues. Third is to inspect for physical damage. Fourth, adjust audio balance settings. Fifth is to reset the headset. Just simply power it off and then hold the power button for 15 seconds to reset. This is for the wireless models. 6 is to update the firmware. Use Turtle Beach Audio Hub or update your headset's firmware. And the 7 is try another cable. This is for the wired models. Swap out the audio cable if possible to test if it's faulty. Now, if this don't work, your headset may have a hardware fault. Contact the Turtle Beach support for repair or replacement options. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.